Welcome to Mind Games. Ever wondered how you could improve your eyesight and offset vision loss? Well, it all starts with understanding eye health. Good vision is crucial to our daily lives, and preserving it requires some proactive steps. In this video, we'll delve into key aspects, such as the importance of regular eye exams, taking frequent breaks from screens, maintaining an eye-friendly diet, guarding your eyes against the sun, and practicing good eye hygiene. So let's embark on this eye-opening journey together. Stay tuned to learn more about each of these steps. First and foremost, schedule regular eye exams. These checkups are your first line of defense, crucial for detecting any vision problems early on. Early detection can often make the difference between simple, manageable eye care and extensive, invasive treatments. Regular exams can also help identify other potential health issues that might be lurking unnoticed. So don't put off that appointment. Prioritize your eyes. They are your windows to the world after all. Remember, prevention is always better than cure when it comes to eye health. Did you know that what you eat can affect your eye health? That's right, your diet plays a significant role in maintaining good vision. Foods rich in antioxidants like leafy greens, citrus fruits, and colorful vegetables can help protect your eyes from harmful free radicals. These radicals can damage the delicate tissues of your eyes, leading to issues like macular degeneration and cataracts. But it's not just about the antioxidants. Omega-3 fatty acids found in foods like salmon and flax seeds are vital for eye health too. They can help prevent dry eyes and keep the retina in good shape. And let's not forget about vitamins A, C, and E, essential for maintaining healthy vision. You can get these from foods like carrots, bell peppers, and almonds, so the next time you're planning your meals, think about your eyes. Incorporate a rainbow of fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats into your diet. Remember, a healthy diet equals healthy eyes. Sun protection isn't just for your skin, it's crucial for your eyes too. The sun's harmful ultraviolet rays can cause significant damage to your eyes, leading to conditions like cataracts, macular degeneration, and even certain types of eye cancers. These conditions can severely impact your vision and overall eye health. So how can we protect our eyes from the sun's harmful rays? The answer is quite simple: sunglasses. However, not just any sunglasses will do. Opt for sunglasses that provide 100% UV protection. These sunglasses block all harmful UV rays from reaching your eyes, providing the protection they need. Whether it's a sunny day at the beach or a snowy day on the slopes, don't forget your sunglasses. Even on cloudy days, UV rays can penetrate the clouds and harm your eyes. So make it a habit to always wear sunglasses when you're outdoors. Shield your eyes from the sun and they'll thank you. Last but not least, practice good eye hygiene. This is a fundamental yet often overlooked aspect of maintaining optimal eye health. Our hands come into contact with countless surfaces throughout the day, gathering a variety of bacteria and germs. Imagine transferring these microorganisms to our eyes. It's a direct ticket to infections and other eye-related problems. Before touching your eyes or applying any products such as creams or contact lenses, ensure your hands are thoroughly clean. A simple act of washing your hands with soap can go a long way in preventing unwanted particles from reaching your eyes. Additionally, avoid rubbing your eyes excessively, as this can potentially damage the delicate tissues around your eyes or introduce harmful bacteria. So let's make a pledge to keep our hands clean and our eyes clearer. After all, our eyes are the windows to the world, and we must do our best to keep them in top condition. Maintain good eye hygiene, and you're less likely to face eye-related issues. In conclusion, taking care of your eye health is vital for maintaining good vision and preventing vision loss. Regular eye exams, screen breaks, a diet rich in antioxidants, UV protection, and good eye hygiene are all practical steps that can significantly enhance your eye health. When these become a part of your daily routine, you'll start seeing the benefits. So don't wait. Start taking action to improve your eye health today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.